Hi, my name is Taylor Hood. I'm currently a student at Jacksonville State University. I'm studying nursing. I've always wanted to be a nurse while growing up in hospitals because I felt like they treated me good and they took care of me and made me feel less nervous about being there. And I feel like I would be a good applicant for a nurse position because I have a caretaker personality. The kind of nursing that I would like to go into is pediatrics because I've grown up in a household with many children below my age, and I've learned to take care of them and treat them as if I was an aunt or a mom or things like that. I've always taken care of them and helped them when they needed to be helped. And my job as a sister was to always be there for them and treat them with kindness. And I feel like I would be a good applicant for a nurse because I could take care of others the way that I would want to be taken care of. Thank you.